What's up, guys?
What's up, guys? So we are going to be doing another unboxing video. Well, we already opened this one because we were kind of too excited, but we kind of received these back to back. Now, this one is a Target mystery clothing box, and it has 50 pieces, but I honestly feel like it was a little more than 50 pieces.
Well, they were like smaller items.
Yeah, there was like a ton of items. So this is what the box looked like when we opened it. Probably a little neater, but it came with a ton of stuff. So we're just gonna quickly go over that one with you. Like I said, this one is a Target mystery clothing, 50 pieces, and this one is a Target like merchandise that they pulled off the shelves or returns, one of the two. And you guys already know, if you guys want to buy a mystery box, I'm going to have it linked down below. And you guys can use promo code KSB15. And yeah, guys, so this one was $150, but with my discount, it came out to $125. That's how much it'll be with the discount, and it's free shipping. But this one was totally worth it because there was a lot of goodies in here. And then a ton of stuff that I'm going to be giving as like Christmas gifts.
I didn't see this one.
The back?
Yeah, it's cool.
So we're just going to quickly show you guys. It came with a pair of boots, and these were my size, so I was excited about that. It came with these like summer wedges. They were also my size, so...
How convenient of you.
I know, I was shocked. Jay said they were ugly.
Where are my shoes? How come I'm not getting any hookups in here?
Yeah, you got boxers. They had boxers in here. These fit.
I am not a 2XL.
It came with a ton of boxers for men, and came with like kids clothes too. So boxers. What else? What else?
You got leggings.
Yeah, there's leggings.
Ooh, does this fit Dina?
No, this fits me.
Oh, I thought it was a kid's.
It's a 2XL, but it's gonna be like oversized. So we say.
A snug.
it's gonna be like the rain suit that I thought was gonna be oversized.
It was like fitted.
It's just a ton of clothes, guys. Like a ton of random clothes, like shirts.
Miscellaneous.
It all has tags. Just
Look,
different stuff.
These are your size too.
Well, those are my size. But these are gonna be a perfect Christmas gift for either your mom or my mom.
Totally.
Totally. It came with a sweater for Mia when she's a little older. Guys, it came with a ton of jeans and shorts. Like, look at this. These are all jeans, shorts, just different sizes. So most of the sizes in here were your size. Really? Remember I told you? You just didn't want to try them on, but they're your size.
I'm not
so
a 36.
These came in, they're so 32.
Oh yeah, I think I remember you telling me. That's right.
Yeah.
I'll try them out later.
So just a whole bunch of jeans and pants. I can't grab any more stuff. Let's see. More like kids underwear, women's underwear. This was my favorite part of the box. It came with the PJ set. It's a little set with the pants. Ooh, I'm gonna take these.
It's funny, the things that excite you.
The
PGs are your favorite part of the whole box.
Yeah, that one and this one. This robe, it came with a bathrobe. This is so exciting. Okay, I'm gonna take both of these. We're getting ready to head out to Arizona because it's gonna be Thanksgiving. So happy Thanksgiving, guys. Hope you guys have a good holiday. And we just wanted to do this unboxing real quick because we just got the Target merchandise box. This was like a PJ set for boys, for Darius. What else? What else?
Socks.
More boxers, socks. There was the little bag that I was holding earlier. There was a ton of bras, and they were my size. Some pants, and just like a ton of shirts. Like there was a ton of dressy shirts, shorts. Like this, guys. There's just a whole ton of clothes in here. There's like way more. There's like pieces, bathing suits. More, there was underwear. Just a whole ton of stuff, and everything has tags. They had more socks and some little hair bow thingies. So I'm definitely going to be doing some giveaways with some of the stuff that I've gotten in these boxes. So stay tuned for that, guys. But I definitely like this box.
Oh, can I keep this?
Those were for you.
Take those with me.
Alright, let's put everything back.
start the next one?
Yes, we're gonna start the next box.
What is the other one? What's the name of the other one?
The Target merchandise. It just said like
Just
general merchandise. Yeah.
Okay.
So I'm actually really excited for that one because it might be kind of like Amazon, like the Amazon one. That, you know, it might have like home decors and stuff like that. And Target stuff is always adorable. On to the next box. You don't want to show them you opening the box with your new knife from the Lowe's box?
Here, wait. There you go.
Oh, you forgot a piece right here.
Oh.
That was deep. Oh my goodness. Wow, this one, oh my gosh, it gave me extra of the stuff that I love.
Stop selling these things.
Yay! Okay, no.
Our kids make a mess of this.
There's
bubble wrap.
Out on me.
Whoa, whoa, I saw something like light, like something with a weird light. I don't know what that is. Oh wait, I know what that is. I saw it.
I saw it too. You guys are gonna see behind the scenes. I'm recording my TikTok. Ready? Go ahead with your pretty hands. Wait, no, it should be my hand.
Daddy!
First item we are pulling out. Oh, this is so cute. Look at this. I love it. I mean, I already have a ton, but I'm definitely keeping this one for sure. It looks like it came open, yeah. It's like rattling in there. Now, this is the lightest box that we've received, huh? Like,
yeah.
Super light.
That's why I didn't know what it was.
Yeah. All right, next one. Let's see. What is this? This one's perfect.
This one fits. They heard that we're doing our kitchen.
They knew. The mystery box gods knew. What are the chances that we find an iPhone in here?
Mystery gods. Video game stuff is cool too, you know.
Video game stuff is cool.
A video game here and there would make me happy.
This is awesome. It's a 20-piece.
Dibs on this.
Wait. Gotta record you.
Never mind, no dibs on this.
Go, pull it out. That one wasn't that cool.
This is cool. Okay.
Okay.
Put that over there. Go for it.
You guys, we are not playing. They really stuffed this box. Well, I mean, you guys can see it. They stuffed it with this. Okay. Let's see. What do we got here?
Charging cable.
A charging cable.
Want this, but can you buy it for us?
What else?
Ooh, a privacy screen. Dibs on this. Wait, iPhone 8. Never mind. No dibs on this.
It only works for iPhone 8? Oh, yeah.
Yeah, for iPhone 8.
Oh, bummer.
I think you saw that, though.
Pull out the big one. This big thing.
All right. Here we go.
Oh, wait. Okay, go.
Oh, look. Wow. This is for a nice little date night.
Does it come with the...
Make us some dinner, serve some wine. With our new kitchen, you know?
Oh my goodness. Okay.
So...
that one's a blow dryer though.
Wow, guys, check that out.
Got a curler and a blow dryer. Maybe we'll just give away both together.
No, we can keep that.
You heard it here. I'm trying to give away. He's trying to keep. What do you need a blow dryer for?
Blow dry my hair.
You know what? Darius actually likes blow drying his hair.
Oh, dibs on this one.
That one's a kid one.
Aww. This is cool. I like these.
This one is actually, I'm not going to complain about the Cheeto Puff because this is fun. You can't see.
It's like that mystery of
Yeah,
like, what am I digging in here for? Dibs on this, whatever this is.
Oh, what's this?
I don't know, I called it this.
Mine. You're so oh, we're so cute.
Oh my god. Okay,
We're
go.
adorable.
Yes, I'll buy you that too.
No.
Oh, okay, sorry.
You buy this one for Dana?
Okay.
A dog? Shit, okay.
No. With a bed. With a bed.
A dog with a
Okay.
bed. Okay, yes.
All right. This is a big one.
Okay, I know her.
Oh, this is so cool.
Did you literally just get one of these?
I literally just bought one yesterday.
Not only did you buy one of these yesterday, you also got the
Spoons.
spoons and all that a while back.
That's so cool. I'll probably give these away.
This one's nice.
Yeah, but I got the other ones, and the other ones match our kitchen.
Yeah.
These don't really match our kitchen. Ugh. All right, what else? Oh, there's actually a ton of little stuff. Look at this.
Ooh, USB-C. Oh, dibs on this one.
Another charging cable.
Dibs on that one too.
Oh, great. Oh, if anyone has an iPhone 8, that'll work out though. We can give away the case. It's a glittery case.
Whoa.
And the screen protector. And then the cable to charge it. Giveaways coming soon, guys.
Woohoo.
See what else. Oh, you see, there you go. Okay,
this?
look, we could give that one away.
Yes, we can give this one away. Ta-da!
And guys, most of these boxes, they're intended either, you know, you keep for yourself, you give away, or you can resell. Most of this stuff, like, you guys should feel this. This feels so heavy.
This you can tell this.
It would probably sell that for at least
This
20
is
bucks.
pricey. Yeah.
Like 20 bucks, I don't know, 10 bucks. The glasses, you know, 15, stuff like that. You can resell all this stuff. This is so nice.
Okay, nothing here.
Thanks, goodies here.
Oh. An electronic can opener. That we need.
This is gonna come in handy.
That we do need.
What is this one?
For my Android users.
For
giveaway?
Android users?
Who's got a Galaxy S9?
Wait, and we got a cable. Is the USB-C is for Android, right?
Yeah.
There you go. So now we got a charging cable
That's
for
it.
Android users. And what is this one for? What phone is this though?
Galaxy
Galaxy S9.
S9.
How cool.
Tech 21's a good
Tech
case
21. That's what I was gonna say. All right, last item you guys are ready for. Oh, never mind. This is mine. This,
is it a universal?
Yeah, it's a universal one. I could charge my camera.
To keep the videos coming.
To keep the videos coming. You're so funny. Sometimes.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, hopefully it works. I don't know how to use this stuff, so you're gonna have to show me.
Yeah, it's easy.
Alright guys, that is going to be the end of this unboxing videos. Let us know if you guys like these videos, if you guys like seeing what the boxes have inside and all that stuff, and we'll continue to do some as long as we continue to get boxes.
They're fun. I like them.
Yeah, they're definitely fun. I think the Amazon was definitely still my favorite though.
Yeah.
I think we're getting a palette, and I think they're getting like Walmart boxes or pallets too, but I think those are the only options that they have. They have the Amazon, the Target, and the Lowe's. So I'll have them linked down below if you guys want to check them out. And thanks so much for watching.
Thanks, guys.
Bye, and have a good Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving.